everyone. How you guys are doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Sorry, I'm up here trying to straighten up my hair. Today is Friday, so happy Friday. Guess what? It is actually a rainy day. I don't know how it is, how the weather is wherever you're at, but if you're in Oklahoma, it's raining right now. So, I'm in the middle of getting ready to pick up my kids, my boys, and so I'm just waiting. And I figure while I'm waiting, I can just make a quick video because this video it's a long overdue video. Okay, I definitely need to say thank you, like a big huge thank you to all my subscribers. I'm actually so proud and didn't ever think I was going to get to this moment. And I just really want to be honest with you and just tell you that in a million years, I wouldn't ever for sure when or how would I would be able to get to where I'm at today, where I have so many subscribers. And I just want to thank you guys. Also, I could tell my viewer count is growing, and to be honest, I don't even really check my analytics like that, but what's going on is I do have vidIQ, and I also have TubeBuddy, which I need to learn how to use these things, by the way, y'all. But vidIQ, thanks to them, they always emailing me and just letting me know how much viewers I have. And my recent email, it actually stated that I have 900 views. So I am ecstatic. I'm really am ecstatic. I'm really happy, and I just want to thank you guys, and I'm hoping that I'm bringing value to you. And also, if you can, pretty please, you can chime in down in the comment if there's anything you feel like I can add to my channel, or some things that you might feel like I should touch on a little bit more. Just let me know and I'll be happy to do that. Okay. But yeah, that's it. I just wanted to say thank you guys. This is a huge thank you to y'all because my channel is growing, and I feel I'm just really happy. I'm really happy. Also, what I'm doing, and I want y'all guys to know, is that anytime anyone sign up to my email, that will automatically put you in a drawing, because I'm gonna start doing monthly giveaway drawings, and it's gonna my giveaways is actually gonna start in January. And what the giveaway consists of is really my financial freedom giveaway. And what it is that anytime anyone wins the giveaway, there are gonna be 2 winners each month, 2 winners. You will automatically have access to my website, which is a course, financial freedom course. You will learn all about financial literacy. Okay, I honestly think that's extremely important, and a lot of us, including myself, are out of touch when it comes to financial management, and that's what affects us to make financial bad decisions. Okay, so we need to learn more about financial literacy, and my financial freedom course is a foundation for you to kind of build on and to help grow your knowledge on financial literacy. Okay, so hopefully you will definitely utilize my financial freedom giveaway, especially if you happen to be the winner. Okay, but in order for you to be entered into the drawing, you will have to do my email sign up. And how you do that is, all you have to do is go to my website, which is kekecredit.com, or click on the link on my description on my YouTube videos. And if you click on it, that would be the very first tab you will see is email sign up plus phone number sign up. Okay, so it'll say both. You will have to put your email, your phone number, and your name in the sign up. Okay, and I'm about to do and the reason why I need phone number, because I'm about to do an SMS as well, which I know a lot of people always looking at their text messages, or looking at their text messages way more than they look at their email. That's me. I'm on my text messages way more than I even check my email, and I'm trying to get more in the habit of looking at my email, especially now since this pandemic and everything. A lot of companies and a lot of people I deal with definitely transition more over to email, and so I gotta get better at looking at my email. But I do look at my email, but just not as good as I feel like I can do. The line is moving up. But yeah, I just wanted y'all guys to know about my giveaway. All you gotta do is sign up my in order for you to get entered into the drawing. Also, anytime anyone signs up for my email, you'll automatically get a free book, because I'm in the process of having my own book, and you would get the free version, and the price on my book will be $15 for purchase. But anyone that is a part of my company automatically gets it for free, or anyone that's do an email sign up gets it for free. Okay, so those are the ways that you can get my book for free. If you happen to pay for or enroll in my investment academy, or if you are a client of mine with credit repair, if you're getting your credit repaired, or you or my email, or if you happen to gave your email address, then you can get the book for free. Otherwise, it was gonna be $15 to purchase. But y'all, it's gonna be a game changer. So you definitely want the book. You'll definitely want the book. You'll definitely want the book. Okay, that's it. I just wanted to say hi and thank you. Definitely tons of thank you. All right, until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Okay, let's go.